Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a 2-in-1 camping light from Enkeeo. So this device acts as first a lantern for when you're camping. You can hang it inside of a tent, it has a hook in it, it also has a rechargeable battery. But on top of all that, it also has a bug zapper or mosquito zapper, so it can help control any mosquito problems you have while camping or really anywhere because this is completely portable. All that for around $22 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. So it comes in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. I decided to purchase this during Prime Day because I live in the South and there are currently a lot of mosquitoes, so I wanted to see if this bug zapper could help with that. So it looks like on top we have a warranty card, and then we have a micro USB to standard USB charging cable, which is great because it uses a very common connector to charge. It looks like we have the lantern on top right here, and then lastly in the box we have a user's manual. So taking a closer look at the lantern here, as you can see, kind of has a soft silicone on the bottom light right here. And then inside, behind this little plastic barrier, you have the actual bug zapper. On top, you have this little thing that pops up so you could put a carabiner around that if you wanted to and attach it to your backpack. But it also has this little area that you can put your fingernail and flip it up, and then it reveals a hook. Most tents and things like that have a little area where you can hook a camping light, so this would be perfect for that. It looks like on top here we have a little gasket that protects the micro USB charging cable, so that's where you charge it. So it looks like we have two buttons on the top. The first is going to be a power button for the actual camping lantern. So as you can see, I turn that on. The flashing right there is just an artifact from the camera. It does not actually look that way. So the light actually has three settings. This is the low light setting, then we have a middle, and then a high. And then it turns off, so there's no flashing or SOS function. The next button is going to turn on the bug zapper right here, and then you'll kind of see those little purple lights turn on. Let me turn off my filming lights real quick. So you can see that kind of bluish purple glow. With my naked eye, it actually looks more purple than the camera is showing with the blue. I'm really interested to see how well this works. It does seem pretty bright, so I think it'll work pretty well. So a couple different things about this device. It's advertised as being IPX6 waterproof, meaning that it can definitely get rained on. You don't have to worry about leaving it out in a storm. So that's great. This is perfect for camping or anything like that. You don't have to worry about it getting wet. And then the battery for the camping lantern is going to be about 20 hours, depending on which setting you use. And with the bug zapper, if you have that on alone, it's going to be about 15 hours of battery life. So not too bad there. You can definitely get through an entire night with the bug zapper. No issues at all. Another thing I wanted to show you is the silicone cover over the actual camping light on the bottom does come off, so you can clean it or anything if you need to. And it's also pretty easy to reapply. Just like that. Alright, so now that we've taken a closer look at the Enkeeo camping light that also is a bug zapper, I'll go ahead and test it out. Alright, so as you can see here, I tested it for as long as the battery lasted with the ultraviolet light. It was around 24 hours of battery life with the bug zapper actually on. And it actually did kill a lot of stuff. I left it outside just to see how it would work, if it actually attracted bugs, and if the bugs were attracted to it, if it would kill it. Before bringing it outside, I had it inside my house for about 12 hours, and it did kill some fruit flies and mosquitoes inside the house. So overall, I would say this does attract bugs, and it does kill them very successfully, which is great. This is exactly what you would want. To me, I'm actually surprised by how long the battery lasted because that gives you multiple evenings with it on if you're going to be sitting outside near a campfire or something like that, so you can ensure you're going to get several uses out of it before it dies. I also like that it's very easy to charge via micro USB, and you get the nice light on the bottom, which allows you to use it as a camping light in your tent. During my testing, I also found that the hook works great, so you can attach it to things through this right here, and I love that it folds down so it's not going to break off in your backpack. But you also get this nice hook, and I was able to actually attach this to something that hangs on the outside of my house, and it was very secure. It didn't fall off at all in the wind, so I was really happy with that. Another thing I want to talk about is I left this out in the rain for several days with no issues to it. It still works great, and it was still killing bugs. And then one last thing that I really like about it is it's very easy to clean. So I just washed it out with a garden hose, and everything easily washed out of it without me having to like scrub anything or actually clean it other than just running water over it. I also like that the bug zapper is kind of pretty far in. So if you grab the outside of it, you're not touching any dead bugs. It's pretty sanitary with everything kept inside, and it's also really easy to clean. And after running water over it and leaving it out in the rain, it still works great, still turns on, no issues there at all. So that was the Enkeeo 2-in-1 mosquito bug zapping lantern. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.